Hello friends, I am a great plant lover. I want always plants in and around my house. So when I was shifting to a flat, everybody told me, "How are you going to manage?" I said, "Yes, I will manage." This is the frontage of my house. At the corridor, both the sides and in the corridor, I have kept plants which needs very less sunlight. Money plant, palms and cacti varieties are the best for these areas. This is one of my balcony which is overlooking the garden in our society, and I have made use of every inch of the place which I could manage. I have hanging pots. I have kept small cacti and plants on the stand on the side of the balcony so that it doesn't take so much place. This is my front balcony where we sit for our morning and evening tea, and it gives us great pleasure to see these little babies, our plants growing so well. Let's go indoors now. I love plants inside my house. It makes me feel very fresh and happy. Also, it keeps the air purified. A lot of oxygen is generated by these plants. So wherever you have place and in a little containers, keep them in the water. My kitchen is not left behind. This is one of the windowsills of my kitchen, and I have kept a lot of money plants. I prefer keeping money plants because they need very little care and it grows so beautifully. I spend a lot of my time in my kitchen, so my kitchen has to have a lot of plants. Keep them on your countertops, your nightstands, and anywhere in the house wherever there is place, and it makes you feel so happy and the room looks so beautiful. They'll be keep smiling at you and you can smile back at them. I wash them under the tap once a week and change the water, and they will be looking very happy and fresh. Happy gardening!